Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Java control statement. First of all, I want to talk about if-else statement. So, well, look at this. If you pass a condition true, and then you will execute the following code. If you not pass the condition, which is false, and then you will execute other statement, and so on. Alright, let's start. Come to Eclipse. Alright, so let's create a new class, right? New Java class. Let's say call it control statement. Maybe call it example. Control statement example. Alright, that's it. Then let's write a method called public method, right? Returning a string. Okay, int let's say this. Okay, if mark less than 50, right? And then you will return a string called fail, right? Call fail, right? Else if mark say more than 50 and mark less than 100, right? Returning pass, right? So if you meet the condition or this condition, it will print out the value. Right. So if you meet none of those conditions, you will come to here, returning invalid mark. Right. So on the main program public static was main, okay, string arg. Okay, if else statement, right? I forgot to write the name. So so now this is a method called if-else statement. Okay, accept a parameter, integer parameter. So here is a if condition. If the parameter less than 50, it will return fail. Else, if the mark is in between, in the range of 50 and 100, it will return pass. Otherwise, it will return invalid mark. Okay, so let me run this statement. So we need to write. First, you need to create an instance of this class. So, and then you call this method and pass in the value, like let's say 50. Right. And you want to print this result in the console, right? So what you're going to do is to run this statement. So what you get is pass. So because you pass the value of 50, right, you get return pass. So if you want to pass in let's say 49, what you're going to get is fail. See, this is fail, because if you 49 is less than 50, so this statement will be executed, right? If you pass in the number out of range, let's say 101, so what you're going to get is invalid mark, because none of the condition you meet for 101, so it will jump into the last statement, return invalid mark. Right, so next I'm going to talk about switch statements. Right, so in expression, if the expression meet the condition of case number 1, and then you will execute the first statement, and then case number 2 you execute the second statement, and so on. And then default is if you not meet any of the above case statement, and then you will execute the default statement. Right, so let's start. Come back to this Eclipse. Right, so now create a second method. Let's say call it returning a string with a switch statement. Right, so now again you pass in mark. Right. Switch mark. Right. Let's say case 10, returning a string. Call it, this is 10. Right. Case 20, return, this is 20. Case 30, return, this is 30. Okay. Default, return, this is 0. Right, that's it. So now you want to execute this statement. So you just need to do is call this, let's say you want to pass in 10, right? So first of all, you want to comment out the previous statement, which is calling the if-else statement, and then you will straight away calling your new statement, switch statement. Pass in 10 and see what happens. Let's run this, execute this statement. See, this is the result. This is 10. Means if you pass in 10, and then it will come to here, meet the condition, and run the statement. This is 10, right? So if you pass in 20, what happened is, so the result, this is 20, print out. So because you meet the condition here, it will execute this statement. This is 20. So, and I believe 30 it will come out. This is 30. So here we go. Right. If you want to test the last statement, the default statement, then you can put 40. Alright, so look, here we go. This is 0, right? So if you pass in any number out of the range, 10, 20, 30, and then it will straight jump to here. This is 0. Right, that's it. So I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe to my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Just click on the subscribe button, and I will see you again soon. Bye.